If you are planning a Switzerland tour from India, then you have clicked on the perfect video. In the next few minutes, I will give you a complete Switzerland tour plan, including 5, 7 and 10-day itineraries covering the Alps, lakes and cities. You will also learn about the best time to visit, visa process, flights, transport and accommodation tips, whether you are traveling with family or on a honeymoon. But here is the big question. How many days are enough to enjoy Switzerland without missing out? Is it 5, 7 or 10 days? Well, before we dive into itineraries, let's first understand Switzerland better. Switzerland, located in the heart of Europe, is world famous for its snow-capped Alps, crystal clear lakes and scenic train journeys and charming towns. Zurich, Rhine Falls, Lucerne with medieval charm and lakes are in northern Switzerland. Interlaken, Jungfrau and Zermatt with breathtaking mountain views located in central and Alps region. Geneva, Montreux and Lucerne with French-inspired culture are in western Switzerland. Now that you know the regions of Switzerland, the question is, which season is best to enjoy its beauty? Let's find out. April to June, that is spring-summer, is best for flowers bloom, lakes shimmer, perfect for sightseeing. July to September is peak summer, best for mountain excursions, hiking and adventure sports. December to March, that is winter, ideal for skiing and snowy landscapes, magical for honeymooners. But the real question is, how should you plan your days to balance lakes, mountains and cities? Let's look at the itineraries. Whether you are planning for a 5, 7 or 10-day tour to Switzerland, here is an itinerary for each duration. Let's begin with the 10-day tour plan and then I will customize it for 5 and 7 days. But please remember, the more days you have, the more comfortably you can explore all the parts of this beautiful country. Day 1. On the first day of our Switzerland trip, we landed in Zurich after a direct flight from India, which takes around 8 hours. For Indian travelers, a Schengen Tourist Visa is required and must be applied for in advance. After a smooth immigration and hotel check-in, we stepped out to explore Bahnhofstrasse, one of the most luxurious shopping streets in the world. The evening ended beautifully with a lakeside dinner by Lake Zurich, giving us our first taste of Swiss charm. Day 2. The second day began with a walk through Zurich's old town, where cobblestone streets, medieval guild houses and Gothic churches took us back in time. We explored Grossmünster Church, a Romanesque-style Protestant church, and Fraumeister, known for its beautiful stained glass windows. Later, we took a short train ride to Rhine Falls, Europe's largest waterfall. A boat ride brought us close to the thunderous cascades, thrilling for families and breathtakingly romantic for couples. Day 3. On the third day, we traveled to Lucerne, a picture-perfect city surrounded by snow-dusted mountains. We visited the Chapel Bridge, a wooden bridge covered with flowers. The Lion Monument, a giant stone sculpture carved in honor of Swiss guards who died during the French Revolution. In the afternoon, a leisurely Lake Lucerne cruise gave us mesmerizing views of the Alps reflecting in the water. Day 4. The fourth day was all about alpine adventure. We took the cable cars up to Mount Titlis, riding the rotating Titlis hot air gondola. At the summit, we crossed the thrilling cliff walk suspension bridge, explored the glacial cave and played in the snow. For families, it was pure fun, and for honeymooners, the snowy peaks created a magical backdrop. Day 5. On the fifth day, we reached Interlaken, a scenic town set between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz. Families enjoyed peaceful boat rides on the turquoise lakes, while couples strolled hand in hand along the promenades. In the evening, we took the Harderkum funicular, which opened up a stunning panoramic view of Interlaken and the surrounding Alps. Day 6. The sixth day was one of the most unforgettable parts of our journey, the excursion to Jungfrau, the top of Europe. The cogwheel train journey itself was scenic, winding through snowy landscapes. At the summit, we explored the Ice Palace, stepped onto the Sphinx observation deck, and enjoyed snow activities at 3,454 meters. It was a true once-in-a-lifetime experience. Day 7. On the seventh day, we traveled to Zermatt, a car-free alpine village. From here, we boarded the Gornergrat Railway for incredible views of Matterhorn, Switzerland's most iconic peak. The peaceful village atmosphere, cozy chalets, and dramatic mountain scenery made Zermatt specially memorable for honeymoon couples, while families enjoyed the unique alpine charm. Day 8. The 8th day took us to Montreux aboard the scenic GoldenPass Line train. Nestled on the shores of Lake Geneva, Montreux felt like a slice of paradise. We visited the medieval Chillon Castle, standing right by the lake. In the evening, we enjoyed a relaxed walk along the flower-lined lakeside promenade, soaking in the views of the French Alps. Day 9. On the 9th day, we explored Geneva, a city that beautifully blends history, culture, and international influence. First, we visited the iconic Jet d'Eau fountain. Then we saw the flower clock, explored the United Nations headquarters. Families loved the green spaces like Parc des Bastions. Day 10. On the final day, we returned to Zurich for some last-minute shopping. From world-famous Swiss watches to Lindt chocolates and handmade souvenirs, we filled our bags with memories. By afternoon, we headed to the airport, wrapping up our Switzerland adventure with unforgettable experiences of mountains, lakes, and charming towns. For a 5-day tour, skip Zermatt, Montreux, Geneva, and at Jungfrau stays for a short duration. For a 7-day tour, skip Zermatt, Montreux, Geneva, focus on Zurich, Lucerne, Interlaken, and Jungfrau. Now that you know how to explore Switzerland in 5, 7, or 10 days, the next question is, where should you stay for the best Swiss experience? Let's find out. Switzerland has stays for all budgets. In Zurich, stay at hotels near Bahnhofstrasse for shopping and nightlife. In Lucerne, stay at boutique hotels near Chapel Bridge for charm. In Interlaken, resorts with lake or mountain views are perfect for families. In Zermatt, alpine chalets are ideal for honeymooners. Now you know where to stay, but how do you travel between cities and mountains? Let's explore transport options. Switzerland is best explored with Swiss Travel Pass, covering unlimited trains, buses, and boats. Scenic trains like Glacier Express and GoldenPass Line make the journey as beautiful as the destination. Once transport is sorted, the only thing left is to plan your trip and enjoy Switzerland to the fullest. For budget and booking details, please check the description box below. I hope you got all the details you need to plan your Switzerland trip. If you love this guide, don't forget to like and share the video. And here is my question for you. If you had to pick only one, would you choose the snowy peaks of Jungfrau or the romantic lakeside of Lucerne? Tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching it.